Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I have something so neat to show you. So, I have been cricketing for years, and I saw something last night that is a complete and total game changer. So, this is so neat. Before we go any further, if this video is of interest to you or helpful, like the video, that helps me out a lot. But also subscribe to my channel. You'll get notifications when the new videos come out, probably once or twice a week. Just lots of neat ways to use your machine and materials, but also learning how to design for yourself. Lots of good videos coming up that you're not going to want to miss out on. So make sure you do subscribe. Let's get to work. This is so easy and so clever. So get rid of that, get rid of this. I'm going to also link in the video description our Facebook group, Cricut for Beginners. It's like about maybe 700,000 members at this point. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So definitely join us there. I'll also link this font just because it's absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favorites. So let's get rid of that. Click on this to select it, go up to the top, go to offset, and you can change the amount. You'll see what we're doing in a minute, but you can change the amount that your offset is dependent on the font that you're using, because it will make a difference. So with this one, that's perfect. And you'll see why that is in a minute. I'm going to click apply. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to select both of these, and then on the bottom right over here, we're going to click attach. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to Matt. Okay, so I'm going to click make it, and I'm going to click on Matt, click continue. We're just going to be cutting this in like a basic, it's like a knockoff Oracle 651. I shouldn't say that. I mean, I guess they're all just self-adhesive vinyls, but that's what it's just a self-adhesive vinyl that I got, on Amazon inexpensively. So click continue. And now it's going to send it over to my maker. I'm going to select, let's see here. I am going to select, it's like a premium permanent vinyl. So premium outdoor vinyl, that'll give me a perfect cut. Okay. All right. So now we're going to meet over at the machine. Okay, so we're at my craft table. Ignore this little dot. That's just a little bit of vinyl that already came out. No big deal. This is the neatest. Let's take this off our mat. I cannot believe that I never came up with this before this point, before seeing this. It's genius. Okay, so now this is going to be so helpful for when you're weeding like small text, or in this situation with the script font. So with the script font, you can see that there's a lot of little indents here. If I had not done that, let me just show you. It's just amazing. It's so clever. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the offset off of there. Okay, so I'm not weeding this big giant piece of paper that whenever you do that, it all gets stuck to your project, right? All I'm doing is weeding the offset off of there. And now look at how incredibly simple that was. Now all I have to do is get this right off of here. Cut that right off of there. This is going to be so fantastic for like glitters and holographics, for when you have a hard time seeing what those lines are. Now you're going to be able to see absolutely everything. How amazing is that? So now all you have to do, because now it's all cut out, so now all you have to do is go back in there and take away all of your cutaway. So anything you don't need. And you can see it easily, right? So now, that is just going to save us all so much time and energy and waste materials. Normally, when you're trying to pull away that whole sheet and it just keeps grabbing at your design and making a mess of it. And this is just going to make everything so much easier. And this isn't just for text. This is for everything. That away. That away. Oh my goodness, I'm so incredibly excited about this. This is seriously the best cricketing hack I have ever learned. And again, like I said, this is an absolutely beautiful font. I will definitely link this in the video description for you. Highly, highly recommend this one. One of my favorite designers. And this weeding pen that I'm using, so I have used a weeding pen for years and years and years, but this one is different. I'll link this also. This one has a light on it. So I don't need it right now because I'm just doing basic, weeding of a flat vinyl, no glitter, no holographic, no nothing like that. But for glitters and holographics, it makes a huge, huge difference. So I'll link that in the video description also. But that's it. That's all there is to this. Now you just, take this. I hate to be wasteful, so I'm going to cut away some of this. Because I am thrifty. Cut away all of this. And that's another thing, is that it's going to bring your waste way down because you're not wasting any of that outside vinyl at all. Let me just take this off of here. Take these extra couple little bits up here off. This is just absolutely fantastic to me. Like I said, I will link everything in the video description. Join us on Facebook. You will absolutely love Cricut for Beginners. It is such a fancy, I was looking at the font and I said, such a fantastic group. It really is super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. You'll absolutely love it there. So, okay, so that's it. That's all there is to my fantastic TikTok hack. Thanks for sticking with me. Have a great day. Bye.